What's the meaning of Charles Schulz? Charles Schulz. Charles Schulz.
Charles Schulz. Charles Schulz. Charles Schulz was an American cartoonist who created the comic strip Peanuts, which featured beloved characters such as Charlie Brown, Snoopy, and Lucy. The comic strip ran from 1950 to 2000 and became one of the most popular and influential in history. Schulz's work captured the experiences and emotions of everyday life, particularly those of children and young adults. He received numerous awards and honors throughout his career and continues to be recognized as a major figure in American culture and art.